Hi there, and welcome to the Asheville Legal Videocast. My name is Jake Snyder, and I'm a partner here at Asheville Legal. And today I want to talk to you about how you might be able to collect back the attorney fees that you incur in a civil lawsuit from the folks on the other side. Now, everyone knows that lawyer fees are very expensive. And so often my clients ask me, can't I make the other party who's responsible for this mess repay my lawyer fees that I incur paying you? It's a very good question, but unfortunately the answer is usually no, but there are some exceptions. So you see, in the American legal system, it's pretty much every state, people are required to pay their own lawyer fees to go through the litigation process. And in a number of respects, that acts as a big deterrent to filing multiple frivolous lawsuits. If people know it's extremely expensive, they tend to be very wary and cautious about actually filing lawsuits. But what are some of the exceptions that exist out there? Well, the first one that I want to clue you into is that you can collect a limited amount of attorney fees if you have a writing, and this is in North Carolina, by the way, if you have a writing that entitles you to collect money, and the writing also entitles you to collect attorney fees. And the cap on that is 15% of the outstanding amount. A typical example of this would be a promissory note. If you're trying to collect on a promissory note that the debtor hasn't been paying, you might be able to get your attorney fees. Another example would be if you have an invoice for construction services. Excuse me. Another is for a category of harms that I'll generally refer to as egregious injuries or deceptions. If somebody intentionally injures you or commits a fraud against you, then there are certain laws in North Carolina that increase the likelihood that you'll be able to collect a lawyer fee. But on the other hand, general breach of contract claims or basic negligence claims, probably not. Those generally don't lead to lawyer fees. Now, in certain commercial cases, business cases, cases with insurance companies and banks, for example, there may also be attorney fees available under the North Carolina Unfair Trade Practices Act. This is a pretty broad act that covers a lot of unfair competition and deceptive claims in the business field. There are many other situations, and it really varies from case to case, in which you may or may not be able to collect attorney fees. But if you have a case on your hands and you wonder if an exception may apply to your case, you should give us a call today. We can help you figure out if we can tag the other side with the fees that you incur to pay us to pursue the lawsuit. Call us at Asheville Legal. Thanks.